Don't scale your business until you've fixed this. I see it all the time. Home service owners rush to add more trucks, more techs, more ads, but the foundation is broken. If you don't have a system for tracking jobs, handling calls, following up leads, or training new hires, scaling will just multiply the chaos. You'll lose money, burn out your team, and damage your brand. Dial in your systems first. Then growth becomes sustainable, not stressful. Inside our business community, Fuse Club, we give you the exact tools, systems, and support to scale the right way. Join us and build a business that doesn't break when it grows. Link in bio.